Welcome to Cluster Repairs UK, your trusted partner for specialist automotive display repairs, servicing and parts. Today we will be showcasing the repair service for the 2014 to 2020 Vauxhall Vivaro and Movano Sat Nav onboard computer display. If your unit is experiencing issues such as cracked or damaged display screen, the screen comes on but is all black or white, half the screen has disappeared, display screen is heavily marked or scratched, the touchscreen is erratic or very slow to respond, or the touchscreen has failed completely. Here you can see an example of a faulty display suffering from touchscreen failure. At Cluster Repairs UK, we offer a full touchscreen repair service backed by a lifetime warranty to provide complete peace of mind. And now, following a complete repair, the results are crystal clear. The screen is fully restored, responsive, accurate, and operating just as it should. Established in 1986, Cluster Repairs UK operates from 2 UK locations and is proud to offer award-winning customer service. With decades of experience, we're a name you can trust. Repairs can be booked online for mail-in service, dropped off in-store, or arranged as a while-you-wait appointment. If you require any further information or assistance, simply click the Ask Seller a Question button below. We're always here to help. Hope you found this video useful, thanks for watching, and we'll see you again soon.